Hello all. Let us say infinitives. Infinitives part 1. If you use the word to with the verb, that is an infinitive. Go to the example. I want to go home early. Here you use or you combine the verb with the word to. You can't say I want to go home early today. Going to home is a action. So to go, to be chosen, to go as an infinitive verb. Please go through the examples. Generally, you don't have to split to and the verb. But there are some situations, for example, I want you to immediately stop doing it. So here the action is you stop something. So immediately. There you can see the split. Normally, infinitive is a combination of the verb and the word to, but in some cases it is splitted to emphasize the verb. Here the verb stop is emphasized with the word immediately. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.